This knot is a little fancier. With your scarf around your neck and the right side longer than the left, take the long end across your chest and over the short end. Loop the long end around and under the short end, and then pull it through so that it hangs on top of the other fabric.
Take your scarf and fold it in half long ways. Then loop it around your neck and push the loose ends through the loop. Then give your loop a twist and bring the ends back through the other way.
Hang the scarf around your neck. Make the right end of your scarf longer. Loop the long end so that it comes back under itself. Gently take the long end through your loop. Then do the same with the short end. You can adjust by lightly tugging the ends until the knot is comfortable.
Take the scarf around your neck with both sides hanging at equal length. Now just take the left end of the scarf and throw it over your right shoulder. Grab the right end and throw it over your left shoulder.
The Parisian knot is as simple as it is classic. Take your scarf and fold it in half long ways. Then loop it around your neck and push those loose ends through the loop. Then just tighten it around your neck.
Take the scarf around your neck with the ends hanging evenly. Then tie a knot at the very end of the scarf, making one big loop. Tie a second knot to secure it. Give the loop a twist right in the middle and pull the bottom loop over your head. Then just adjust to your liking and you're good to go.
Wrap the scarf around your neck one time. With both sides hanging evenly, tie a knot that fits snugly around your neck. Then just adjust the ends.
Wrap the scarf loosely around your neck. Then tie a tighter knot in the front. Wrap the first loop over the knot so you can't see it. And adjust the ends of the scarf so they overlap. Then you're done.
Take the scarf around your neck and let each side hang evenly. Cross the sides snugly and wrap one around your right shoulder and the other around your left shoulder. Pull the first loose end through the bottom loop and the other loose end through the top loop.
Wrap the scarf around your neck. Reach through and pull out a loop on the left side. Then thread the right end through the loop. Abracadabra, your magic loop knot is done. All of the scarves in this video are included in kits at myblueprint.com.